Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add Zoom to Google Calendar on your desktop. This will allow you to schedule Zoom meetings directly from Google Calendar without switching between apps. It's a quick and simple process, and I'll guide you through each step. So, let's get started. First of all, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Once the page is open, click on the settings icon. In the drop-down menu, click Get Ads On. In the search bar, type Zoom and from the results, select Zoom. Then click Install and after that, click on Continue. Choose the Google account linked with Zoom to add the Zoom Ads On to Google Calendar. After installation, go back to Google Calendar. Then click on plus create to start a new event. You will now see an option that says Add Conferencing. Click it and select Zoom Meeting. If it's your first time using the add-ons, you will need to sign in with your Zoom account and authorize access. Now, fill in your meeting details, set the title, date, time, and any guest you want to invite. Google Calendar will automatically generate a Zoom meeting link and attach it to the event. Once everything looks good, click Save and send invitations if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to add Zoom to Google Calendar and schedule Zoom meetings with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.